Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how to draw a rose step by step, and I'm going to be working slowly, that way you can draw with me. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first step, start off by drawing a large circle. And I use this ruler just so I can get my perfect circle. So there's our circle. Now you just want to draw a line right down the middle. Now you want to draw a medium circle towards the top. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. This is just your guidelines to know where to start and begin drawing your petals. Now that you have your diagram, you want to now start in the middle of the rose and begin with a tiny bud and then work your way around to the other petals. Now I create just basic shapes at first, and then once I create all my basic shapes, I go in and I add more definition to my petals. Now you want to start working on the outskirts of the rose by drawing the smaller petals first before you get to the bigger ones. Now I'm just going in and drawing my larger petals. Now I know right now it kind of looks funky and weird because it just looks like a bunch of petals and they don't look good. Now that I got pretty much my placement for my rows in, I go through and take my eraser and I erase the lines like my diagram. You get a smaller eraser here. Okay, now that we pretty much have everything erased, now is when I go in and kind of add more definition to the petals and just kind of connect where they need to be connected. Let's see. Now I used a B pencil just so you guys could see the pencil lines better, but usually I use a lighter pencil, that way you can't see the pencil strokes as much. So I would recommend going with a lighter pencil. Drawing a rose, I have found that it's more of like drawing a maze. You know, you're starting in the center and then you're going out and working yourself outward. Then I want this petal to kind of have more of a point to it. So we'll do it like that. Again, normally I wouldn't see my pencil marks here, but since I'm trying to get it so you guys can see the pencil showing up, I used a darker pencil. Okay. And then with this petal, I'm going to add a little bit more definition to it. I know this is an extra step and some don't do this, but for me, I just like getting the basics down before I add my details, just so it looks centered and good. And then I will be doing a follow-up video doing the outline of this and coloring it. So make sure you stay tuned for that, so you can see me outlining it and coloring it with markers. All right, and then you can add guidelines for your leaves, but I pretty much just know my placements. It's just whatever you prefer. So We're going to do a leaf here. Okay, so I don't like how that one looks. I'm going to erase it. Fix this. Let's do it like that. So we pretty much have our basic rose, and how I go about with the step-by-steps and starting in the middle and then working yourself out with the larger petals and then adding your leaves. I hope that this was helpful for you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks guys for watching.